Hi everyone, in today's video we'll be walking you through the step-by-step process of how to reset the registry to its default settings in Windows 11. Whether your registry is cluttered or you've made incorrect changes causing errors, this guide will help you restore it to its original state. Let's get started. Step 1. One way to reset the registry is by resetting your PC. Since the registry stores a lot of information about Windows configurations, resetting your PC will restore the registry to its default state. To do this, click on the Start menu, then open the Settings app. Once it's open, go to the System tab and select Recovery. Under Recovery Options, click on Reset this PC. Step 2. You'll be given two options, Keep My Files or Remove Everything. If you want to reset the registry while keeping your apps, settings, and personal files, choose Keep My Files. For a completely fresh start, select Remove Everything. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the reset process. Step 3. Another method to reset the registry is by using System Restore. If you've made incorrect changes to the registry, System Restore can revert your system to a previous state. To do this, click on the Start menu, search for Create a Restore Point, and open it. Click on your system, then click System Restore. Your PC will search for any restore points that were created. Click Next, choose a restore point, click Next again, then click Finish. Step 4. If you've taken a backup of your registry, you can restore it to its default state from that backup. It's always a good idea to back up the registry before making any changes. To back up the registry, open the Registry Editor, click on File, and select Export. Save the file with a name of your choice. To restore, click on File, select Import, and choose the backup file. And that's it. You've successfully reset the registry to its default settings in Windows 11. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials.